They got going on out here. Good fruits. Mama. Nothing. You know, I just do my little TV show. My whole life is lying. Let's see what they got here, y'all. My mama wants some peaches. You get the stuff for the juice, or we gotta get that from the store?
Get that from the grocery store.
Let's see. I want some kiwis. They got some kiwis. Y'all remember off Conehead? She's like, I need some kiwis. Wow, I know they got some kiwis. What me? You don't be knowing what to do with them fresh pineapples?
They're $2.91.
I'll cut them up.
$2.90.
Yes. My niece and nephews, we eat some fruit. Huh? Yeah, get one so we can try it. I don't want you carrying it.
You get one then. And you don't get the little one then. I mean, well, that little one.
So get this one.
No, that's a little one. Well, I mean,
I don't know, mama. You pick them,
I
girl.
don't know how to pick them. Just be a... Yeah, get this one. Maybe that's it.
No,